Hi and welcome to my guide without internet or computers. So one of the things we're going to look at today is small tasks. Now, you are able to do small tasks without referring to the internet or to your phone. One of the things that you can do, for example, go shopping for food or go to the market. Even if you're just going to your local Tesco, you can't do it without your phone or your computer. Instead of placing an order for Waitrose or Ocado, instead of writing down what you're gonna buy on your phone, use a notebook. Get a nice notebook, write down what you need, take that notebook. You could even leave your phone at home. Instead of looking at the watch on your phone, use a watch. Wear your watch, take your notebook. Believe me, you're not gonna get lost. People used to do this 20 years ago. I have done it when I was like 5 years old. You would just leave the house without your phone. I would usually with my mom, but you could do it by yourself because you're an adult now. So just try it. It's a new experience. You will look around, you will see the trees, you will see that there's other people walking around. Probably not so many in your own situation, so most people will be looking at their phones, but you are gonna try, you and me and together eventually humanity, we're gonna try to get out of this rut, feeling like we're losing a limb if we don't have our phone with us and if we can't refer to Google at all times. I get really annoyed when people ask a question and the other person is just like, you could have Googled that. Yes, and on one hand it's also annoying for them to not Google things, but often it's like we're on the phone and you don't want to be on the phone all the time, you know? You want to discover things beyond the phone. So today's little task is gonna be to go to the supermarket without your phone. Find a way to do it. And you're gonna be open to the experience and you're gonna watch other people, maybe look at what they're buying, take an interest on your journey there, look at what's before your supermarket, look at what's beyond your supermarket. Because also often I feel like nowadays, because we're on our maps and we have the destination in mind, we only go to this destination and there's no space for any other diversion from that. Be open to diversions. Be open to life and the world. I'll see you later with another quick tip on how to de-technologize your life.